the fasts which are not allowed in Islam. There are some fasts which are not allowed in Islam. Could you mention those different fasts, please?
The days on which fasts are prohibited, number one, is fasting on the two Eids. There's Eidain, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Number two, fasting 3 days after Eid al-Adha. It's known as days of Tashriq, 3 days of Tashriq. Number three is Yawm al-Shak, the days of doubt, fasting 1 or 2 days before Ramadan starts. Number four is singling out Friday for fast. Number five, singling out Saturday for fasting. Number six is Sawm ad-Dahr, that is fasting for the full life. That's prohibited. Number seven is Wisal, that is fasting consecutively day and night. That's not allowed. Number eight is if a woman is married and if she has to keep a voluntary fast, she has to take the permission of the husband. Without taking the permission of the husband, she cannot keep any voluntary fast. So these are the 8 categories of fast which are prohibited in the voluntary fast.